Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the dock maintenance for the Dyson 360 Vis Nav. If you're interested in this Dyson, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. And be sure to shop our RoboVac comparison tool as well on our website. So let's get right into it. You can see how this robot will dock. And the dock overall is going to be very easy to maintain compared to your typical robot vacuum dock. That's because this is a super basic dock and it just handles charging. So what you have to do on this dock, there's really not much to it. So you'll notice integrated power supply and cable right there. And to get access to the back, you just pop the cover off. It just comes right off there. And you can see the cable there with built-in cable management. So the first thing is, every once in a while, if you want to visually inspect this to make sure everything looks good, you can do that. But that's going to be the back side with that cover right there. And again, either side for the cable channel so that it can go flush against your wall. And then this just pops right back on. And on the front side here, you can just wipe this down if any dirt or dust start to accumulate. Same with the charging contacts and that little piece right there, as well as this metal bottom plate as well. But overall, it's simple and straightforward to maintain this dock. Just wipe it down as needed.